Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this glittery black smoky eyes with classic red lips. So if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. And also if you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. I'm using this facial oil by Good Vibes to moisturize my face. To prime my eyelids, I'm taking this concealer by LA Girl in the shade Creamy Beige. Here I am spreading the concealer with the small brush and also cleaning my eyebrows. Then I'm blending out the concealer with the help of my finger. From my BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, I'm taking this light shade and setting my concealer. Taking this gel eyeliner by Maybelline, I'm applying it all over the lid area. This is going to act as a base for the black eyeshadow. Then I'm taking this black eyeshadow from the palette and applying it on top of that gel eyeliner. The gel eyeliner is helping the black eyeshadow to look intense, and that's exactly what I want for this look. Taking the Pro Art PE23, I am blending out the harsh edges of the black eyeshadow. Then taking this brown eyeshadow from the palette, I'm applying it on the crease area just above the black eyeshadow. I'm taking time to blend out the two shades together so that there's an ombre effect and there are no harsh lines between them. I'm doing the same thing on the other eye too. I'm again applying the black eyeshadow because it lost its intensity while blending with the brown eyeshadow. Then taking this lighter brown shade from the palette, I'm applying it above the crease and just diffusing the harsh edges of that dark brown eyeshadow. Blending your eyeshadow is really important if you want that ombre kind of effect and that smooth transition from the lighter shade to the darker shade. Then I'm taking this liquid eyeshadow at the back of my hand and I'm applying it all over my lid area with the help of a small brush. And I'm using my finger to spread out the product evenly. I'm taking this brush and diffusing out the edges of the liquid eyeshadow. I'm again taking that dark brown eyeshadow and applying it on my crease just to increase its intensity, and taking that light brown shade on a fluffy brush, I'm diffusing out the edges of the dark brown eyeshadow. Taking this mascara and coating my eyelashes before I apply a pair of falsies. I applied my falsies off camera, and now it's time for the foundation. For foundation today I'm using this Photo Focus foundation by Wet n Wild. It's in the shade Golden Beige. I'm blending out the foundation using a damp beauty sponge like so.
I'm out of here.
Taking that same concealer by LA Girl, I'm applying it under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow and my chin like I always do. And then I'm blending it out using a sponge. I am then setting the concealer with a loose powder. Taking this contouring shade from the Savannah Colors blush palette, I'm using it to contour my face.
I'm out of here.
I'm also lightly contouring my nose using the same shade. Then taking this peachy kind of shade, I'm applying it on the apples of my cheeks and bringing back some color to my face. To highlight my face, I'm using this Master Chrome highlighter by Maybelline in the shade Molten Gold, and I'm applying it on the high points of my face. Using these two shades and smoking out my lower lash line. Then taking the same highlighter that I used before, I'm highlighting my inner corners and my brow bones. To finish up the look, I'm using this liquid lipstick by Colourpop in the shade Ariba. And this is the final look. I I really loved the way this look turned out to be, and if you enjoyed watching this video and found this video helpful, then please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel and comment in the comment section down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye, and thank you so much for watching.